Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Beginner's Guide to Autodesk AutoCAD. In this session and few upcoming sessions, we will learn about the editing tools. In previous sessions, we have learned how to create some simple drawings using basic drawing tools. However, to create complex drawings, we may perform various editing operations. The tools to perform the editing operations are available in the Modify panel on the Home ribbon. We can click the down arrow on this panel to find more editing tools. We will see them one by one. Well, first, I am creating some circles. Now we have three circles of three different sizes. Let's watch them closely and perform the Move command. In Move command, we can simply click it to activate, then click again at any object to select it. Now we have to specify a point from where we want to move it. So we chose the center and we placed it on the center of the other circle. Again, we will move these two objects together from the center and again place them inside the center of other circle. Now we have these concentric circles drawn. We had three circles and now all of them are aligned at the same center. It was possible using the Move command. Next, let's create a polygon. Now we have a polygon. Then we will create a circle in the center of this polygon. What if that we want similar geometry at each edge of this polygon? We will click on copy. We will select the object and specify the center. We want this circle to be copied and placed with reference to its center. Then we will select all the edges of this polygon so that the center of the circle and the edge of polygon are aligned. We can press escape to complete the command. Let's repeat the copy again, like this. Select the center and place it wherever we want. Now we will perform another editing tool, which is very basic and very important. It is called as trim. You will see that when we will be doing our major exercises, trim will be the most handy tool and it will be used most of the times to create very nice and complex shape out of very basic and simple drawings. So we will go to the trim option, this scissor like icon. By clicking it, it will be activated. Now we can simply click at any part that we want to remove, like this. Same would be done, but if we have not activated it, you can see the complete geometry of the line is selected. But when we select the trim option, you can delete the individual parts as well. You can also create an imaginary line like this, and everything crossing that imaginary line would be deleted or trimmed. You will see that by using very simple technique, we just used a polygon and a circle. But With the help of these editing tools, we create this very nice and complex shape. Next, we have this tool, palette. It is very handy when we are dealing with large drawings. You can explore it yourself. There is mechanical, civil, electrical, all type of symbols that are most commonly used. Let's perform some features on it, like rotate. You can simply write rotate or R. Oh, it will show automatically. After selecting it, you have to specify a point against which it would be rotated, and then you can assign any angle. If the ortho is on, you can only deal with 90-degree or its multiples. You can see the vertical symbol is now converted into horizontal one. Next, we will see the scale command. For that, we have to specify one point, and then we can do it by hit and trial method like this if we are not dealing with accuracy. The other one is reference. For reference, let's take this one. Let's say we want this line or this specified dimension to be equal to this value. All the geometry would be scaled with reference to that dimension. So we learned the rotate and the scale command on this specific object. Let's see all the geometries here in one screen. So this was all about the editing tools session. We will learn some more editing tools in the next session, but make sure you practice them right now so that when we deal with more editing tools, you don't get confused and you come up with a clear mind. See you in next session. Till then, take care.